As I was telling you guys, it's pretty loud. This is the view from my front porch. There's even church bells going off, which goes off a couple times a day from a church down the street. So this is what it's like at night. It's raining right now. I'm standing on my front porch. Lots of traffic. You hear the church bells? Bong, bong. Lots of cars, lots of traffic. City of Tampa. Yeah, I'll turn the camera on me. I've got my ring light. See my front doors right there. This ring light is pretty good. I bought this for $5 from Family Dollar. Actually really good. I don't know if you can see that. It has 3 different settings. Yep. So that's in my house. I'll turn it around. The interstate is right there. It's crazy, right? Actually do. I like living here and I like the interstate. I like coming inside now. Oh, so the ring light works really good. I guess I could shoot videos inside. But just wanted to share that with you. So you can see traffic. All day long, 24 hours a day. That's what I was saying. When I go outside and I try and shoot a video, it's pretty loud. So I close the door. No, it's very loud over here. Just sharing that with you. Okay, so I hope you hit like and subscribe and comment down below. Sharing the view from my front yard.